Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Frozen Fan, and today I'm going to be making a tutorial, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Pick a file. I chose For the First Time and Forever Reprise. And all you need to do is just do this. If you want this dark effect, then do this. Make it look beautiful. For this, I chose the USA flag. Click Send to Back. And if you want angel sound effect, then I can teach you. Alright. 4 pitch or 5 pitch, I don't care. Click on reverb. Click a bathroom or cathedral. I think cathedral is the best choice.
You don't have to protect me. I'm not afraid. Please don't shut me out again. Please don't slam the door.
Now let's go listen to this, a little bit of this. Wait.
What?
There we go.
You kind of set off an eternal winter? Everywhere. Everywhere. Well, it's okay. You can just unfreeze it. No, I can't. I don't know how. Sure you can. I know you can. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I'm such a fool. I can't be free. No escape from the storm inside. I can't control the curse. We'll reverse the storm you've made. Please don't only make it worse. Don't have there's so much fear. Sunshine, you're safe here. We can face this thing together. We can change this
Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.